our channel, and as promised I'm back with another video. So please hit the subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates on time. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a sumptuous morning routine breakfast. And please stay back for an exciting book review. Dear friends, please remember to take the help of your elders so that you do not hurt yourself in the process. So, today we are going to take 2 slices of bread, some paneer, a tomato and a very delicious cheese slice. So now, with the help of an elder, I'm going to toast these 2 slices of bread so they are cooked properly. So while the toasts are cooking, I'm going to take a help of an elder and cut the tomatoes. So these are the toasts that we had cooked and the tomato that we had sliced. And now I'm going to put a cheese slice on one of the toast. So now I'm going to put the tomatoes onto the cheese slice. Now I'm going to sprinkle some salt and then put the paneer and cover it with the other toast. Now our delicious sandwich is ready. I can't wait to eat it up. But we need to add something else to this healthy breakfast. This is the kiwi that I've cut. I'm also going to add a fruit yogurt to my breakfast. It is the blueberry fruit yogurt. I usually take it with my breakfast, and you can also take any other if you want. While choosing a book, always remember to check the summary on the back so that it will give you an idea about what the book is all about. Because sometimes the cover can be a little flashy, but the book is not that great from inside. So this way you will be sure that you have chosen a book that is good and as per your taste. I can also show some of my favorite books, which I suggest you read in your free time. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite books, and I suggest that you can also read them in your free time. So let's look at the first book. The first book is a very famous one written by J.K. Rowling. The book's name is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, also known as the Sorcerer's Stone. And this is the first book that J.K. Rowling had ever written. So let's look at the summary of the book. So this book is about Harry Potter, and he hasn't ever heard of Hogwarts, and the letters start dropping on the doormat. And then he is a wizard. That's very astonishing for him. So let's see what the readers say. What readers say? The only thing wrong with it is that you can't put it down. My mom loved it so much she would not let my dad read any of it to me. Alexander Ben, 7 years old. It's for all ages and it's brilliant. Katrina Farrant, 10 years old. What? So newspapers have also given a very nice review to this book. And you must read all the sequels so that you know what the story is about. This is the second book which I want to review. If you are really into mermaids like me and have watched series like H2O Adventure and Mako Mermaids, then you will really enjoy this mermaid story. Mermaids to the Rescue, written by Lisa Ann Scott. She has also written 3 more books. Let's see what the books are. Lana swims north, Callie plays fair, Cascadia saves the day. So this book's name is Nixie Makes Waves. Let's read the summary of the book. Nixie can't wait to join the Royal Mermaid Rescue crew. Along with a magical sea pony partner, she'll save more people in danger and use her natural creativity to keep the seas safe. But then Nixie gets matched with Rip, a super speedy sea pony at the top of his class, but also a strict rule follower. Rip and Nixie couldn't be more different. Will Nixie be able to befriend Rip, or will she have to look for another fish in the sea? So, this book is about mermaids, and it is published by Scholastic. Let's move on to the third book. So this is the third book, and it is Goosebumps, but this is not any Goosebumps. This is the Give Yourself Goosebumps, and you can choose from over 20 different scary endings. So the book number is 36, and the book's name is Ship of Ghosts. Reader beware, you choose the scare. So let's read the summary of the book. You cruise, you lose. You're on a 2-week cruise to Japan with a friend, and no parents. Party! This should be a total blast if you can survive the deadliest cruise ever. A man on board claims the ship is really a laboratory for evil experiments. Experiments that turn passengers into gross fish creatures. Now the man is planning to blow up the ship. Should you warn the captain or hit the water? If you stay on board, will you be turned into a giant shrimp? If you jump overboard, will you be able to survive the killer sharks? The choice is yours in the scary Goosebumps adventure that's packed with over 20 super spooky endings. Reader beware, you choose the scare. Give yourself goosebumps. Don't miss the next book in the series, Escape from the Horror House. So this is a book. This book is about a ship cruise. So it first tells you that where you have to go in on which page, but when it starts to be scary, you need to decide on your own, like this. If you say yes, go to page 133. If you say no, go to page 135. Like this only, you have to choose when it gets scary on your own. Now let's move on to the other book. So this is the fourth book. This is Ella's Diary. Ballet Backflip is the name of this book, and it is published by Scholastic. Let us read the summary of the book. So she says, warning, you're about to read my utterly biggest secrets. Can I trust you? Okay then, I'm Ella and this is my diary. Ella dreams of being the lead in the ballet recital, but she also wants to be taken seriously. She is in year 5 after all, when Mean Queen Peach takes up gymnastics and does an amazing backflip in the playground. The school is taken over by the new craze. Will Ella backflip on her love of ballet, can she bear to go along with Peach and her treacherous BFF Zoe? So I love this book. I have read it almost 3-4 times, and I hope you also love it. And you can take any other books as well. And she has also told us about the books which are coming. So there are Double Dare You, I Love Pets, Dreams Come True, and Christmas Chaos. So I hope you love this book, and I loved it a lot, and I always take it with me when I'm on a tour or going somewhere. I always take it with me and read it. Now let's move on to the next book. So this is the Diary of a Wimpy Kid. This book's name is The Double Down. This is the international bestseller written by Jeff Kenny. So this book is based on a boy named Greg Heffley. This is Greg Heffley. You can see him, he's falling. So let's read the summary of this book. The pressure is really piling up on Greg Heffley. His mom thinks video games are turning his brain to mush. So she wants her son to put down the controller and explore his creative side. As if that's not scary enough, Halloween is just around the corner and the frights are coming at Greg from every angle. When he discovers a bag of gummy worms, it sparks an idea. Can Greg get his mom off his back by making a movie? And will he become rich and famous in the process? Or will doubling down on this plan just double Greg's troubles? So there are also more books. He has also, so Jeff Kenny has also written more books. I hope you like it, and it's very interesting, as I said. So it is one of the Puffin books. So let's see how many books has he written. Other books by Jeff Kenny. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Project Rules. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Last Straw, Dog Days, The Ugly Truth, Cabin Fever, The Third Wheel, Hard Luck, The Long Haul, Old School, and The Wimpy Kid Do It Yourself book. So in the Wimpy Kid Do It Yourself book, you can make drawings of your own, and you can also write whatever you want to take on a tour or anything else. You can do anything in the Do It Yourself Wimpy Kid book. I hope you liked today's book review and the wonderful breakfast which we prepared in the beginning of the video. If there are any particular books that you would like me to review in upcoming videos, please leave a comment below and I will consider it. I hope you have a nice day. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the latest updates on time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.